Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Trump International Hotel here in Las Vegas.
Baby, I love you so, the way that you do.
And I want to start by saying that this video is not politically motivated. If you're new here, I'm a travel content creator and I do a lot of hotel reviews, especially here in Las Vegas. I have received requests from many of you about this hotel, so I recently conducted a poll on YouTube and also on my Instagram account, and many of you voted to have a hotel review here, so here we are. And this hotel prides itself from offering a very unique, luxurious experience, so we're excited to share our experience with you guys. This morning we came in a little bit early. It was around 9:30 a.m. Luckily we were able to check in. We went for breakfast at DJT, which is the restaurant of the lobby area. My wife had the breakfast platter. I had a twist on a French toast, which was an almond crusted croissant. It was absolutely delicious. Now we are in our room, so let's continue the video with the official room tour. Alright guys, this room is massive and it's interesting because it doesn't feel like a hotel. It has a residential feel to it, and as a matter of fact, you can actually buy a penthouse at this hotel. So there is a part hotel and part that are private residence, but it's really nice. There is a lot of storage spaces here. Over here we have some extra linen. We have pillows, which are actually for this over here, which is a sofa bed, and it's actually queen size. As far as appliances, because this is kind of like a suite style residential, there is a sink that has a garbage disposal built into it, coffee maker, stove top, there is a microwave, and over here we have a mini fridge that has a lot of space in it. Unfortunately, because of Clark County code, they cannot provide anything that you would need for cooking pots, utensils, and things like that. However, if you call housekeeping, they'll bring it up to the room. Over here, again, more storage space. They have double closet, which when you open the doors, they get lit. And then there is another one here. 500 square feet. This is a deluxe skin room. It's beautiful and it is very clean. All right, guys, and we saved the best for last. Alright guys, room is beautiful. First impressions coming into the resort, very clean. The lobby is very elegant. Love the scent when you walk into the building. This is a non-smoking hotel. It is also non-gaming, so you will not find a casino here at this hotel. It is a 64-story tower of golden glass just north of the Las Vegas Strip. Over 1,200 guest rooms, including suites and luxury penthouses. Some of them have up to 3 bedrooms, so pretty large. Very excited to continue exploring this hotel. Up next is going to be the pool complex, which is located on the 7th floor here at the Trump Hotel. Alright guys, after the pool we came to a room and we just literally crashed. It was so hot outside today. We still had a really nice time. We had a couple of frozen drinks, pizzas. We could have stayed a little bit longer. Unfortunately, it was very windy today, so they had to keep the umbrellas down, but it was still a really nice time. We're now getting ready to head downstairs to go to DJT to check out some of the cocktails, and they don't have a lot of vegetarian options here, so after that we're gonna head over to Resorts World, check out their Mexican restaurant there called Viva. So we see you guys in a little bit. Morning guys, day number 2 here at the Trump Hotel. Wanted to give you a quick rundown of what we were up to last night. We went to the bar at DJT. We had a very cool cocktail. It was called Sid Vicious, and the ambience was just very chill and very relaxing. After that, we went to Resorts World to check out a Mexican restaurant there called Viva, and the food was really good, and so it was the service, so it is highly recommended. This morning for breakfast, we ordered room service, which they called to go. It was very nicely packaged and it included everything you needed. It was absolutely delicious. So this is the point in the video where I'll give you kind of a final summary and kind of highlight points of our stay here at this hotel. And let's start with the room, which was very clean, very spacious. Love the residential feel to it. The specific room is located on the 57th floor and it is facing the strip. Obviously, when you go through the booking, you can book hotels either facing the strip, or they also give you the option on the other side of the tower, which is facing the mountain range. As far as facilities, there is a pool here, which we stopped by yesterday. It was really nice. They also have a spa and fitness center. As far as restaurants, they have DJT and room service, both of which are open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They have H2O, which is located by the pool area. In the mornings, they also set up a cafe in the lobby area, which is available for a quick bite, pastries, coffees, and things like that. As far as location, the Trump Hotel is located north of the strip, right across from the Fashion Mall. Hundreds of stores there. If you want to go shopping, it's literally just across the street. In terms of closest casino walking distance, that would be the Wynn. It's about a 10-minute walk. And then if you want to take an Uber or a Lyft, then the Venetian and Resorts World, I'm thinking maybe 5 to 7 minutes. As far as room rate, average between $150 to $200 a night. It depends on the time of year, what's going on in town, but on average, $150 to $200. Resort fee is $39. As far as parking, they do not have self-parking, but they do offer valet parking, and it is complimentary for hotel guests. In terms of pricing for food and beverage, it is very in line with what you would expect here on the Las Vegas Strip, and it is very well executed in terms of quality, presentation. I think we really enjoy all the different options that they had here in terms of food and beverage. As far as service, that was probably the highlight of our stay since the moment we arrived to now the moment that we're leaving and checking out. Every employee that we encountered was super friendly. So the service that we received here was definitely very elevated, kind of in line with what you would expect in a luxury property. So just to summarize, this hotel is very unique in terms of not having a casino, being non-smoking, just kind of very quiet, very relaxed. But if that's what you're looking for when you come to Las Vegas, then based on our experience, this hotel is highly recommended, particularly being close to the mall, having the accessibility of walking to some of the casinos nearby. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you very soon.